In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to SSH into Siteground shared hosting account. We'll walk through setting up your SSH access inside Siteground so you can connect securely without relying on plain passwords. If you've never used SSH keys before, don't worry, this is straightforward, and I'll explain the why behind each click so it all makes sense. First, open your browser and go to My Siteground, then sign into your account. Once you're in, head to the Websites section. This is where all your hosted sites live. Find the site you want to access via SSH. Everything we do next will be tied to that specific site's tools and credentials, so make sure you're picking the right one. Next, click Site Tools for that site. This opens the dashboard where Siteground keeps the management panels for files, domains, security, and developer utilities. On the left sidebar, look for the Dev section. This area groups together features meant for development workflows, including version control and SSH. Click SSH Keys Manager. This is where you'll create and manage SSH keys for your hosting account. SSH keys are a more secure alternative to password logins. Instead of typing a server password each time, your computer proves its identity with a cryptographic key pair. That means stronger security and fewer lockouts. Now, create a new key. Type in a key name. Pick something descriptive. Think along the lines of the device or purpose, like laptop work or automation script, so you'll recognize it later if you manage multiple keys. Type in a password. This is the passphrase that encrypts your private key. It's not your Siteground login password. It's a separate, strong passphrase that protects the key if someone gains access to your machine. Use a phrase you can remember, but that's hard to guess, and consider storing it in a reputable password manager. Click Create. Siteground will generate the key pair and add it to your account. After a moment, you should see the new key listed in the manager. From here, Siteground typically shows you the SSH details for the site, such as the server name, your SSH username, and the port, alongside options related to the key you just created. Keep this information handy when you're ready to connect from your terminal or an SSH app on your computer. That's it. You've set up SSH access for your Siteground shared hosting account. Remember to keep your private key and passphrase secure and remove keys you no longer use to maintain good security hygiene. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.